In this tip of the day, let's take a look at creating a tool favorite list within OneCNC. Now this is great, especially when you have something like a carousel that's already preloaded with tools out there on the CNC. So how do you create a favorite list? Well, it's actually very simple. Just take your cursor, head up to the top of the screen and select NC. From there, select Edit Tool List. Now you're going to want to make sure that you have the Library tab selected. From there, click on Enable Edit Tools. All right, so let's create some favorites. Let's go into the end mill category, and let's say that I like this 750 thousandths end mill as a favorite. Just left click inside the favorite column. Let's do the same with this 3/8 inch tool. We'll left click there. And how about an 1/8 inch? We'll left click there. Let's head over to the drill category and do the same thing. All you have to do is just left-hand click inside the column for favorite for each of the tools that you want to make as a favorite. Let's add a couple of ball end mills. How about an inch and a 1/2 inch high-speed ball? Once that's done, we can uncheck Enable Edit Tools. Let's close the library down, and let me show you how you would use this in a practical application. Let's say that I'd like to drill these holes. So let's head over to the Command Manager, select Stock Tool Paths, and Drill Single. I'm going to select the holes by using Arc Center. I'm going to left click, left click, left click, and left click, and when done, we can right-hand mouse click and select Finish. All right, so here's how we can access our favorite tools. Simply take your cursor, left-click on Tool Changer, or left-click on the tool graphics. OneC will now bring up your tool library. I'm going to expand this, and if you click on the Recent tab, you'll notice there's a button up here where you can sort by favorites. If I click that, you'll see now that all of our favorites are listed. We have our drills and our end mills. If I want to select one of the drills from our favorite, all I have to do is take my cursor, left click on that, and then click OK. Very, very simple. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.